If you want to delete your Roblox account and remove your account information, then this video is for you. Make sure you watch this video until the end and don't skip any part because every step is important. So let's get started. If this video meets your needs and helps you delete your Roblox account, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. First, open the Roblox website and sign into your account. Once you're signed in, click the gear icon in the top right corner and select Settings. From the menu, click on Privacy and Content Maturity. Next, scroll down and look for the option related to deleting or deactivating your account if it is available. If you don't see a deletion option in your settings, open the Roblox support website and submit a request to delete your account. When submitting the request, select the appropriate account or privacy option and explain that you want to delete your Roblox account. Roblox may ask you to verify your account before processing the request. Before deleting your account, make sure you understand that you may lose access to your Roblox account, items, progress, and other account information.